Hi, good day. I'm James Arpapa. Last week we do the Super Mario theme song on the Arduino using the mini speaker by itself, or it can be a buzzer. And now we are making a laser alarm system or a laser tripwire using a photoresistor as the sensor, the laser as the transmitter, and the Arduino as the actuator or the buzzer as the actuator itself. Come on, let's check it out. So first of all, I gather my materials. I'm using a 330 ohms resistor, a buzzer, my Gizduino or the Arduino clone, my breadboard, and some jumper wires. After uploading the code, using your computer, desktop computer, insert your USB cable to your Arduino, and now, let's see how it works. The first thing we're going to do is to reset the Arduino by pressing the reset button here. You see, the red LED and the yellow LED starts to light, and the buzzer sounds. It means that it's ready for calibration. Now, calibrate your laser beam into the photoresistor, which will act as the sensor. The yellow LED indicates that whenever the laser beam interrupts, it will not produce sound unless you will press the button here. Now, the yellow LED is not blinking, or it is not producing any light. Now, when you interrupt the LED, it will now produce sound. So in order to stop this, you will press again this reset button here. I hope you like this video. I will post videos every Thursday morning. I will post it on my Facebook account. Come and check out my YouTube channel. And as soon as I do my instructable videos, I will place on how it works, on how I do it, and maybe a theory on how it works. So see you soon. Bye.